In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make a bar graph on Excel. This is a simple way to turn table data into a chart that is easy to read and compare. A bar graph is useful when you want to show differences between categories in a clear visual format. Excel can create this for you in just a few clicks, once your data is selected correctly. Start by highlighting your table data, including the text headers at the top of each column or row. This part is important because the headers help Excel understand what each section of the data represents. They also become the labels that make your chart easier to understand once it appears. Make sure you select the full range of data you want included, and check that nothing important is left out before moving on. Once your data is highlighted, go to the top ribbon and click Insert. This is where Excel keeps the tools for adding charts, tables, and other visual elements to your worksheet. The Insert tab is the main place you will use anytime you want to turn raw data into a graphic. After that, look for the Insert column or bar chart icon. It usually looks like 3 vertical bars, so it is fairly easy to spot. Clicking this icon opens a menu with several chart styles. Excel offers both column charts and bar charts, so it is helpful to choose carefully based on the type of layout you want. In this case, you are making a bar graph, so you will continue with the bar chart options. From the drop-down menu, click Clustered Bar, which is the first option under the 2D bar section. As soon as you select it, Excel will create the graph and place it directly into your worksheet. This chart style is a good choice when you want to compare values across different categories side by side in a clean and simple format. Once the chart appears, you can review it to make sure the categories and values are displaying the way you expected. If your original data was selected correctly, the graph should already be organized and readable. That covers everything you need to know.